Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video opens with a short greeting and states the goal, showing how to download and install TikTok Shop on Windows. So let's get started. The creator instructs to open a browser and search for TikTok Shop USA. After searching, click the official site link. Once the TikTok Shop website loads, go to the top right corner of the browser. Click the three-dot icon. More tools. Create shortcut. A prompt appears. Click Create to make a desktop shortcut. Install, click on it. The TikTok shortcut icon shows up on the desktop or app list, acting like an installed app. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.